Hi everyone, my name is Sajaa and I am a makeup artist. Welcome to my channel. It's so weird saying that because I'm so awkward. But anyways, this is my first video that I hopefully will be uploading because the last 3 attempts were not very good. So yeah, hopefully these go better. Anyways, I just recently splurged a little too much on the Sephora website during their Rouge sale because I don't know, I'm bored and all I do to entertain myself is shop, which is probably not the smartest idea considering I'm not working right now, but oh well, I did it. Oops, no regrets. Anyways, so I'm gonna review 2 palettes that I bought during the sale. It's not everything that I bought, but it's kind of what I want the focus of the video to be because they're like so pretty and just I can sit and talk about them and stare at them all day. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna talk about these palettes. So the first one I'm gonna talk about is the Mcgrath Mothership Bronze Seduction palette. I've been like so tempted to buy this and I finally did. And the reason why I held myself back for a while is because I just couldn't justify spending $170 on a palette, but it's just so pretty that I couldn't help it. Plus I got that 20% off. It's so pretty. Yeah, I used it today, so like it's on my eyes. I used it with another palette, but it's just so pretty. I love how like metallic-y it is, but there's still those good like matte neutral shades that you can use as transition colors. One of the shades that actually really stood out to me and made me want to buy it is the VR Fire Opal. So that's this guy right here. It changes in the light, you guys can probably see that. So it looks pink here and then green. That's why I really liked it. So when you swatch it, you can see the tints of green and then the tints of pink. And it's so subtle too. So when you put it on your lid, it's not like an overwhelming bright green or bright pink. It's actually very subtle, very pretty, but it gives you like that nice metallic-y look, if that even makes sense. So yeah, that shade really, really, really made me want to buy it. I know it's not probably the best idea to buy a palette that's the price this is for one shade, but I did. And then I ended up loving the whole palette, so it's okay. It's fine. There's no regrets. I'm happy. But yeah, that shade's unreal. I love it. And then a shade I also use to mix with it on like the inner corner is this guy right here. That one is called Astral Luna Gold. So it looks really pearlescent, but when you swatch it, it's like a very champagne-y looking gold. It's just so pretty. I used this palette today. I really liked it, and I combined it with the Natasha Denona Viva palette. I held myself back from buying the Natasha Denona palette just because I have so many palettes with the same shades. It's very neutral, but I bought it and I used it and I have 0 regrets. The formula is amazing. The quality is amazing. It's so effortless to use. Like, it's so easy to blend these shades on the lid. I had no difficulties doing it and I finished my eye makeup so fast, and usually that's what takes me the longest. So yeah, that says a lot because sometimes I struggle with my eyes and I did not with this palette. And I think it does have to do with the formula a lot, because when the formula is better, it looks better on the lid and it will blend easily. I don't know. Anyways, I'm not refilming that because I redid this like so many times. I am so happy with both of these palettes. I have nothing bad to say about them. The quality is amazing in both palettes. I love how the shades are. I love how they blend on the lid. And I have zero regrets buying these palettes. Like, I will continue to use them a lot. I really think that these are going to be staple products that I'm going to be using in my kit and on myself as well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting these. This is the Natasha Denona Biba palette. It's more of a neutral palette. And then this is the Pat McGrath Mothership palette, the Bronze Seduction one. Let's just look at that again, because you really need to buy this and swatch it, because looking at it like this does not do it justice. It's so pretty. But yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the palettes before I showed you guys how I used them. I recorded the full look that I did today, and I'm putting it in this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.